Hello everyone, welcome to HardReset channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily insert a SIM or SD card to your OPPO Find X6. So first, grab your phone and now get a little pin and pull it right here in the center, like that. Now push as hard as you can and until you hear a click. Then take this out and place your SIM card as instructed. Now take your phone again and place it back. Wait a couple of seconds for the SIM card to load, and as you can see, our SIM card is now loaded. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.